Hello minifigures. Today I will be doing yet another video that I will be adding to my YouTube channel. And in this video I will be reviewing yet another LEGO Harry Potter alternative build. This time it's for LEGO Harry Potter set from 2018, Aragog's Lair. This set contained over 150 pieces, 2 minifigures, and retailed for $15 retail price in the United States. I am titling this alternative build the Spidery Encounter, or Forbidden Encounter, whichever you prefer. I'm fine with either title, really. This structure right here depicts a large, gnarled, overgrown, sinister-looking stump. On top of the stump, you see 4 inquisitive, eerie, milky eyes that were used on the spider build in the original set. This way depicts some sort of creature that has grown onto or is a part of this stump, and it is alive. You can open the mouth using a ratchet joint connection. You can move these two pieces aside to reveal a web in the center. This web is actually a flick-fire missile, which can be activated, pushed out, or launched from the back by this action right here that you just push up on. Here's how that looks. Pew! Or more like splat. Something like that. Yeah. And on the back, we don't have much, just a lone mushroom, some foliage, the spider on the back of this spider web piece right here. These spider legs that were used on Aragog are now branches, which is a common use of them in alternative builds. They can be posed and articulated and are all pretty well attached. As I said, this gnarled, eerie stump, sorry about that noise, is alive to a certain extent, to where it has captured poor Harry. You can actually, it can free, and have him captured, like so. And then you can have Ron come and rescue him, or probably just run away, because that sounds more like Ron to you, to me at least, since he's deathly terrified of spiders. Poor Ron, poor Harry. Oh, they look very unfortunate in this scene. This is not at all a scene from the books or movies, but it is a nice alternative build that with a couple fun play features that you can add to your Harry Potter display. There are spiders crawling all over this thing, and you have some leftover strands of web over here, created by those white fang elements. Here are the leftover, or spare pieces after building this alternative build. And that's pretty much it. I hope you've enjoyed and liked this alternative build for the 2018 LEGO Harry Potter Aragog's Lair set. I will be doing a how to build video on this alternative build later on, once I have reached 50 subscribers. Sound good? Great. Make sure to like this video, share my channel with your friends, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.